Dear friends, in my previous video we discussed national income and its related aggregates. I assured you that before going to the numerical problems, we would once again revise those aggregates, basic aggregates. So what were the aggregates? Depreciation, net, gross. Okay? Depreciation, net, gross, FC and FP. So, in our chapter, that is national income and its related aggregates, there will be some numerical problems which we have to solve. And in order to solve them easily, we need to understand these aggregates along with the formulas which we already discussed. Let us revise once again. Say, suppose if you want to find out gross, then you have to take this formula, net plus depreciation. If you add net and depreciation, you will get gross. If you want to find out net, then gross minus depreciation, right? If you want to find out depreciation, that means gross minus net. Depreciation, gross minus net. Similarly, if you want to find out MP, then FC plus NIT, right? If you want to find out FC, MP minus NIT. And if you want to find out NIT, then indirect tax minus subsidy. Okay, then two more aggregates we discussed, that is national income and domestic income. So suppose if you want to find out national income, then domestic income plus NFIA. So what is NFIA? Income from abroad minus income to abroad. This is NFIA. Suppose if you want to find out domestic income, suppose if you want to find out domestic income, then national income minus NFIA. National income minus NFIA if you do, then you will get domestic income. So these are the basic aggregates and related formula which you must know, so that in your forthcoming numerical problems you can easily solve. Once again I repeat, suppose if you want to find out gross, then net plus depreciation. Simple. If you add net and depreciation, you will get gross. Then if you want to find out net, so gross minus depreciation. You have to subtract depreciation from gross, so you will get net. Then if you want to find out depreciation, gross minus net. Similarly, if you want to find out MP, FC plus NIT, so you will get MP. If you want to find out FC, MP minus NIT. What is NIT? Indirect taxes minus subsidy, it is NIT. Similarly, if you want to find out domestic income, then domestic income, if you want to find out, then national income minus NFIA. Similarly, if you want to find out national income, then domestic income plus NFIA, then you will get national income. What is NFIA? NFIA is full form, net factor income from abroad. This is NFIA full form, net factor income from abroad. So if you want to find out national income, then domestic income plus NFIA. If you want to find out domestic income, then national income plus national income minus NFIA. So these are the formulas which you need to understand before going to solve the forthcoming numerical, which now I will try to explain. Okay. Now let us solve some numerical problems. right? So the first numerical is calculate NDP-FC, right? Calculate NDP-FC. Particulars and rupees in lakhs, right? GNP-MP, subsidies, depreciation, NFIA, indirect tax. GNP-MP is 16,000, subsidy is 1200, depreciation is 1000, NFIA 1400, indirect tax 1300, right? This is the numerical given to you and you are asked to find out NDP-FC. So what are the particulars? GNP-MP 16,000, subsidies 1200, depreciation 1000, NFIA 1400 and indirect tax 1300. Now how to convert? What you have to calculate? You have to calculate NDP-FC. Okay. The nearest real aggregate of NDP-FC is, you can see, GNP-MP. You have to find out what is the nearest aggregate of the given question. So NDP-FC, the nearest aggregate is GNP-MP. That means GNP-MP is given and you have to find out NDP-FC, right? Now you have to convert GNP-MP or the entire thing into NDP-FC. So how will you convert? Very simple. You have to see the letters. Basically, this is a very easy way of doing numerical problems. What you have to do is, you have to see each and individual letter. For example, gross. This gross is given and what you have to find out? Net. That means GNP-MP is given, no? So here gross is given and you have to find out net. So what is gross here? 16,000, right? Gross is given, that is GNP is given. You have to find out net. As per formula, you have to go for subtracting depreciation. Gross is given, you have to find out net. So minus depreciation. National is given. See, national is given and you have to find out domestic. The formula which we already discussed. National is given. You have to find out domestic. That means NFIA, right? Then P. P means product. P means product. Here, no need to convert anything. Both are same. P, P. Both are matching, you can say. Now, MP. Here, MP is given. You have to find out FC. That means NIT minus NIT. The formula says minus NIT. That means, seeing the aggregate given and asked, you have to simply convert by seeing the letters, individual letter if you see, and then you can derive the formula on your own. So this is the formula I have derived. Now 16,000, right? What is depreciation? Depreciation is 1,000, right? What is NFIA? NFIA is 1,400, right? What is now NIT? NIT formula you know, indirect taxes minus subsidy. Okay? So again you can go like this: 16,000, 1,000, 1,400. What is indirect tax? Indirect tax is 1,300. And what is subsidy? Subsidy is, I think, 1,200. Okay? So 16,000, 1,000, 1,400 minus 100. So you will get 13,500 is the answer, and that is NDP-FC. What is the answer? Your answer is 13,500 and that is NDP-FC. Once again I am repeating, GNPMP is given. You have to find out NDPFC. GNPMP means you have to see each and individual letter. G means gross. You have to find out net. So gross it is there 16,000. Net if you want to find out from gross, then you have to minus depreciation. Similarly, national is given. You have to find out domestic. That means you have to subtract NFIA. MP is given and you have to find out FC. That means minus NIT. Again you use the formula for calculation and you apply all the values according to the formula. So 16,000, depreciation 1,000, NFIA 1,400, minus indirect tax 1,300, subsidy 1,200. So if you do this, then finally you will get 13,500. That is your answer, and that is known as NDPFC. This is how you have to calculate NDPFC. Let us do one more numerical. Here, calculate GNPFC. Right? What is the numerical? You have to calculate GNPFC. The particulars and rupees in crores this time. That may vary, no problem. NDPMP, depreciation, indirect taxes, subsidy, factor income from abroad and factor income to abroad. This is the numerical. What is NDPMP? Here 25,000. Depreciation 15,000. Indirect tax 1,300. Subsidy 300. Factor income from abroad 400. Factor income to abroad is 600. Okay. So what is that you have to calculate? You have to calculate GNPFC. And as I told you, you have to find out the nearest aggregate from the given particulars. So what is the nearest aggregate here? Nearest aggregate is NDPMP. So you have to find out GNPFC and your nearest aggregate is NDPMP. That means it is given. What is given? NDPMP is given and you have to find out GNPFC. Right? Now, as I told you, you have to go and observe the letters and accordingly you have to derive the formula. So net is given, right? Net is given. What you have to find out? Gross, right? What is NDPMP? 25,000. This is net. What you have to get? Gross. Okay? Net is given and you have to get gross. That means plus depreciation. I repeat, net is given and you have to find out gross. That means plus depreciation. Domestic is given. You have to find out national. Domestic is given. You have to find out national. That is NFIA. Okay. MP is given. MP is given. You have to find out FC. Right. MP is given. You have to find out FC. That means minus NIT. MP, market price, is given and you have to find out FC. That means NIT. Now apply the values. So this is 25,000, right? What is depreciation? Depreciation is 15,000, right? NFIA. See here, slight twist. NFIA is not given. So simple, as I told you the formula, NFIA means it is the difference between income from abroad and income to abroad. So factor income from abroad minus factor income to abroad, right? Then minus NIT. NIT means again indirect taxes minus subsidy. This is the formula you could derive. Now 25,000, 15,000. Factor income from abroad, how much? 400. Factor income to abroad, 300. Right? Minus indirect tax. What is the indirect tax? 1,300. And what is subsidy? 300 minus 300. I repeat. NDPMP is given. You have to find out GNPFC. First, see the letter. Net is given, and you have to find out gross. That is why we have added plus depreciation. Net is given. You have to find out gross. So plus depreciation. Then domestic is given. You have to find out national. Domestic is given. You have to find out national. That means plus NFIA. Then MP is given, you have to find out FC, that is minus NLT. Again, I have used all the values as per the formula. 25,000, 15,000, and NFIA is not given as such. So, income from abroad minus income to abroad. And then, you know what is NIT, indirect tax, minus subsidy. Again, I have applied all the values, 25,000, 15,000, plus factor income from abroad 400 minus factor income to abroad 300 minus indirect tax, see 1,300, and subsidy 300. So if you do this, then you will get 38,000, right? 38,800. This is the answer, 38,800, and this is called GNPFC. This is how you have converted NDPMP, or with all these particulars you have converted to GNPFC. So your GNPFC is 38,800. These two numerical problems you can do on your own just by seeing the problem. Don't go and don't see the answers. You just see the numerical, note down in your notebook, you do it and see whether you are able to do it or not. And then finally, of course, answers are given, so you can check your answers, and if you could do, then it's very nice. And I hope the way I explained, you all got it, and you will be able to do these numerical problems with each. Okay, thank you very much.